Friends, if you're planning your dream vacation to Paris, we've got you covered with loads of expert tips on how to make the most of your trip. In this video, we'll reveal 8 useful money-saving tips for your Parisian adventure. When it comes to saving money in the City of Lights, start with your accommodation. Opt for budget-friendly options like hostels, guest houses, or Airbnb rentals. Consider staying in charming neighborhoods like Montmartre or Belleville for more affordable yet authentic Parisian experiences. Keep in mind that as long as you're close to a metro station in Paris, it's very easy to reach the city center and the main attractions. Choosing the right time to visit Paris can significantly impact your travel expenses and overall experience. While Paris is magical year-round, the best budget-friendly months are in spring, March to May, and fall, September to November. During these shoulder seasons, you'll enjoy milder weather, smaller crowds, and more affordable accommodations. Avoid the peak summer months and major holidays when prices tend to soar. One great way to save money while visiting Paris is by purchasing the Paris Museum Pass. This pass offers admission to over 50 museums and monuments in and around the city, including the Louvre, the Musée d'Orsay, and the Palace of Versailles. With the Paris Museum Pass, you can avoid the long lines at the main attractions in Paris and save money at the same time. Without the pass, admission fees for these attractions can add up quickly, with prices ranging from 9 to 18 euros per person. However, with the Paris Museum Pass, you can visit as many of these attractions as you'd like for one flat fee, which starts at just 55 euros for a 2-day pass. And in addition to helping you save money, it also allows you to skip all the lines at the attractions included in the Paris Museum Pass. When exploring Paris, make sure to experience the local cuisine by dining at authentic bistros and restaurants. Avoid the crowded tourist hotspots near popular attractions and seek out the places where locals eat. This will not only give you a taste of the city's true essence, but also provide a more budget-friendly dining experience. If you want to fully understand Paris on a budget, join one of the many free walking tours led by local guides. These tours offer unique insights into the city's history and culture while being easy on your wallet. They are free to join, but it's customary to tip your guide if you've been pleased with the experience. When it comes to exploring Paris efficiently and affordably, the city's public transportation system is your best friend. Purchase a Paris Visit or a Navigo card for unlimited rides on buses, trams, and the metro. These budget-friendly options allow you to hop between iconic landmarks, neighborhoods, and museums without the hassle of expensive taxis. And it's eco-friendly. On our channel, we have a full guide on how to ride the buses and the metro in Paris. Make sure you check it out next. In Paris, tipping is not mandatory, but it is appreciated. However, the customary tip in France and Europe in general is not as high as in the USA. At restaurants in Paris, service charges are often included in your bill, and in this case, you can just round up your payment to the nearest euro. If the service isn't included and you've been happy with your server, you can show your appreciation by leaving 5 to 10% as a tip. In cafes and bars, rounding up the check is appreciated. On the first Sunday of every month, many of Paris's top cultural attractions offer free admission. It's a fantastic opportunity to explore famous museums and monuments without spending a dime. Some of these include the Château Versailles, Musée d'Orsay, and the Centre Pompidou. Visit Paris on the first weekend of the month and you'll save a lot of money on entrance fees, leaving more room in your budget for other delightful experiences in the city. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. Have you visited Paris? Share your favorite experiences in the comments below.